countries. Still, funding for research in this important area is drying up. Dire predictions for a rainforest that's rated the second most irreplaceable natural World Heritage Area.
Ay, Mami!
7 years.
For many, food delivery services have changed
Ay,
their
Mami! Jangan mulai bayi gulu ni mamu.
customers to help feed the hungry.
Mamu.
Food at your fingertips comes straight to your front door.
Mami.
The convenience has made
Mami.
Australians spending over 2.6
Mami. Mulai jangan ni bayi gulu ki mamu.
Now,
No.
major players in the online food
No.
business has an initiative to give back. Deliveroo
No.
is partnering with some of the country's biggest restaurants and charities